Alright, so happy Vlogmas day number 5. Yeah, so today I didn't do, well, during the day portion, I did not do a very good job actually filming, but I did take pictures. I went out to lunch with my cousin at Roosters, which, if you haven't heard of, is like one of the best restaurants ever. It's really good. It's just like, it kind of reminds me of B-Dubs, but they have more options. And personally, I think it tastes better. I don't know. I haven't had B-Dubs in a long time, but we always go to Roosters if I go get wings. So went to Roosters. And then we did split the mac and cheese bites. Those are so good with the spicy nacho sauce. That is so good. Love that. And then I just got 5 barbecue wings. That's what I got. And that was really good. And it got some ranch with it. It is so good. Roosters has the best honey barbecue wings. Also, they have teriyaki ones. Those are good too. It's just so good. All right, so we are at the mall now, just looking around for Christmas stuff. And then I'm gonna do some Ibotta stuff today too. So that's where we're at now. All right, so now we are at Rural King, and I'm getting, I don't know if I haven't decided if I'm gonna get it yet, but they have the weighted blankets for only $20, and that's pretty cheap. So I'm kind of contemplating getting it, but the mall actually went very well. I got a couple gifts for my cousin, something for a gift exchange, and then something else that I don't remember. Oh, another gift for somebody for a charity thing. So yeah, but now we're at Rural King, just looking around, seeing what I can get. I'm really doing well on Christmas shopping, and they do have this toilet paper and paper towels for $2.99. That's a really good price. I don't know if I should get it or not. We did get some ice cream too. Wits, which is like my favorite ice cream place, is actually about to close for the winter, so I didn't want to like not have the chance to get some custard, right? I love Wits. So yeah, I just ran through and got that. I know you guys probably think, man, he eats out all the time, and I really don't that much, but lately it seems like it's been more and more. So yeah. This is Christmas when there's so many cars lined up the road. Like, that's Christmas right now. Like, seriously, this is, I know I've sucked at vlogging today, but basically my cousin and I just went to lunch, so today we actually both need to go look around for some Christmas shopping, and that's kind of what we did. So yes, we went to Walmart. Sorry, I got my eyes on the road. Went to Walmart, Rural King. I'm at a light, that's why I'm talking to you guys now. But we went to Walmart, Kroger, Rural King, Dollar General, the mall, that kind of stuff. Oh, I get to turn. I cannot believe I got to turn. Awesome. Walmart, Kroger, Rural King, all that kind of stuff. So that was fun. And I got some good Christmas shopping done. For a gift exchange I'm in. Oh, probably would help if I could, yeah. For a gift exchange I'm in, and with some awesome YouTubers that I'm shocked even considered me as being able to be a part of it. I'm kind of shocked they picked me because there's so many big name YouTubers asked me to be in their group. Like, that's amazing. That's awesome. And so I got some stuff for that. I got a finish. Alexis told me she got her box. She was so excited, but we can't open it until next Monday for the actual stream. So that's gonna be fun. And then I did get myself that weighted blanket at Rural King. I did a huge, well, not huge, but I did some of the Ibotta haul. I want to do more tomorrow when I can get some resets. I'm really feeling Ibotta again. It's awesome. So I'm gonna head on home. I'll catch up with you guys there. So I got back. This is all I did. I actually did go to, like I said, Walmart and Kroger, and I had a really great time doing Ibotta rebates. So after all the rebates, this came to $5.45, and I prorated out my bonuses, making it a net cost of an 87-cent moneymaker. I made 87 cents to take all this stuff out the store. I think that's winning. Now keep in mind, tomorrow there will be an actual haul video up. So many of you guys voted not to have a haul today. You wanted the Kroger 3-day sale, so that's just what I went ahead and did. So yeah, really exciting. I'm planning on going back tomorrow as well to do some resets and hopefully find some other good deals, because all the new Kroger Cash Back will load tomorrow and all that fun stuff. So really, really exciting. All right, another short vlog, and I gotta say I'm sorry for that, but as the days have gone on, it's been repetitive. School, some couponing and stuff like that. However, I'm really going to try to spice it up this weekend and find some more things. Like I said, there are going to be more things going on that we're going to talk about. I know that some of you guys said you wanted to like see around Zanesville a little bit. So I'll try to do that hopefully soon. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I need to go to another store tomorrow. Better be careful what I'm saying out loud here. Don't want that person to hear, but I need to go to another store tomorrow and pick up a gift that I didn't get today. I need to, what do I need to do tomorrow? I need to just sit down and do a bunch of schoolwork, so I need to do. But then tomorrow, Fuller House comes on Netflix, and it's been a year. So I'm like going to sit there and binge watch the whole thing. That's what it's a tradition. It's the last season. I'm really bummed about that because I really enjoyed that. Obviously, Full House was not in my time zone, like my time era. However, I still watched it as a kid, but Fuller House, I just really have enjoyed ever since it came out. I just love it. So I'm really bummed that it's not going to be around anymore. But anyways, this is the last season, and that half of it comes out tomorrow, so I'm going to watch that. What else? I'm trying to read my to-do list. Yeah, those are the kind of things I'm going to do tomorrow. Like I said, I went out with my cousin today. We had a good time. And then my other cousin, Corey texted me and said he asked if I would want to do a Vlogmas with him, which I was like, absolutely. So hopefully we can work something out. A lot of you guys probably remember him from when he did a video with me and he started a channel. He's been kind of absent from it for a while, but he told me the other day he's working on a video. So hopefully he can get back at YouTube and then some of you guys can check him out. So that's awesome. So that was today's sad little vlog. And I wish I would have took you guys in the store more. I promise I'm going to do better. But like my cousin, she was cool with it, me filming, but you know, I didn't want to like be filming the whole time. That kind of defeats the purpose of when you're out doing things with other people if you're on your phone the whole time filming. So, yeah, but I showed you guys, and I couldn't show you guys the gifts because there's a lot more family who watches this now than who did a few months ago or last year. Like there's a lot of family watch these videos that I do. So I got to be cautious saying when I get people, and I will try to say, at one of the vlogs towards the end of the season about what gifts I got. I know I'd like to put them out earlier for you guys, but I don't want to like, you know, spoil the surprise if one of the family watches and realizes, oh my gosh, Nick got this for me. Like, you know what I mean? I don't want to like spoil that from everybody. So yes. So that's the vlog today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and got something out of it. The Ibotta haul will be up tomorrow. I'm really excited for the Ibotta haul. It's going to be an awesome haul. It's been a while since I've been on Ibotta, but just to be able to come back. Today was like one of the best I've done in a long time with Ibotta. And I'm just going to add on to it tomorrow with resets, and that'll be awesome. So yeah, that's all that I have for now, and thank you guys for watching.